So Cody, one of the new things that we want to try out is asking you to answer questions from real students. And I was lucky enough to have
Good.
a conversation with a young woman in Amsterdam called Fien. Fien is a 15-year-old high school student who wants to go to university to be a doctor. She wants to work in healthcare. And she has two questions that she'd like to ask you. The first one is, do you think that robots will take over the jobs of nurses?
These are such great questions, and I'm so glad she asked, and I'm so glad she's thinking about these things in the future. I will likely learn from people like her as she grows up and enters the field. I don't think that robots can take over nursing. I think that without the humanistic, caring approach, the critical thinking, the touch, the developing of relationships, nursing is obsolete. So I think, robots can assist us. Robots can improve our accuracy, can prevent errors, but they cannot replace the nurse and they cannot replace the human-to-human relationship.